Guess what this is, guys? It has been about 8 years since I've bought another Filofax. I was a pocket planner for a little while. That was really cute and nice, but I realized I am not a pocket size planner. It is just way too small for me. I just got this from Amazon and I got a really good deal on it. I see it now going for over $100. Make sure you're keeping an eye out for this if you want to grab one for yourself. This is the Filofax Norfolk. The Norfolk has been on my wish list for so many months now, and I'm just so excited to see it in person. I have been waiting to open this box. I haven't even looked at it yet because I wanted to wait until I did this video for you guys. So you can see the packaging is very sleek. The box is super smooth and it came in a white protective box over this and then in the Amazon box. So let's open it up and see. Okay, so you can see it's still packaged very nicely. It's all protected and everything. And there we go, guys. We could see the Filofax Norfolk organizer in A5. So it's a leather dated planner. All right. On first impressions, I can see that it is a pretty big planner. Look at the rings on that. These are really big, so I can fit a whole lot in it. It is not as slim as my other Filofax. This is my Filofax that I'm using right now, the Austerley in plum, and then this is the Norfolk. It is a lot thicker. I think the reasoning for that is because this has a back pocket and everything, whereas this one is a lot more slim. And I think the rings on this were actually really small, but I did change out the rings for this with these rose gold ones. You can tell that I ruined my planner when I changed out the rings because I had to dismantle it and everything, and I ruined the edges right here. So that's why I was really hoping I can get a new Filofax. Okay, so it has this plastic covering on it. Let me just take that off for now. And it already comes with inserts, which is amazing. So just the original Filofax inserts. It has 35mm rings. That's 1.38 inches. So those are the hugest rings I've ever seen. Most of my planners are only 30mm rings, so this can fit almost everything. So you can see we have the big giant back pocket here. I've only ever seen these in pocket planners, so that's surprising to see in an A5 planner. So I really love that. So gorgeous in person. It just feels so soft. The color has that timeless elegance. It's so soft and buttery. You can tell that it's durable enough to withstand daily use. So this is what the back looks like. It has 9 credit card slots. So you can put your cards in here. You can put these cloth and paper cards that they give you, or if you do the task cards, you can put those here. Then we have this pen loop here, and there's another pen loop on this side as well. There's some bigger pockets back here. You can store a whole lot in this planner. And then there is this strap. So you can really stuff this planner and it'll still keep it closed for you. Okay, let's see what inserts it comes with already. I wish they put the pages separately so that it didn't get bent, but you can see this clear dashboard is already a little bent here, and the pages are curved, probably from sitting in this for all this time. So I guess the official color that I got is taupe, the taupe A5 Filofax organizer for Norfolk. First we get these 2024 and 2025 year at a glance, and it is a Monday start. These pages are pretty thin, but I think it's just the traditional Filofax paper if you like the thin papered. Their Filofax pages have really gotten an upgrade. These look really modern and nice. So we have to-dos, then we have a Hello January with some dot grid note pages, and then we just have the horizontal week at a glance. It's a Monday start. I think it's the same for every month. We have the May dashboard, some note pages, some line notes, and then it goes into the week. So there are no monthly pages, monthly calendar, it seems. Yeah, there's only this May dashboard, but no calendar for it. And let's see what it tells us in the back. Okay, so it says it comes with the calendar, the year planner, the monthly overview, and the weekly planner. And then in the back is just some note pages, and then the holidays and the phases of the moon. And then it also comes with these white dividers. So there are 6 of them, so 6 dividers. I might end up using that in my other planner. And then we also have these to-do checklists. So these might come in handy. You can never go wrong with too many to-do lists. Then we also get these blank white pages. So that's nice that it comes with all that, because I was only really expecting the binder itself. If you are a beginner and you need some inserts, these are great to use. I just don't like how thin they are. They don't seem to go around these rings that well. Okay, and then after that is this flexible ruler that you can take in and out. This is perfect for using as a today marker if you need one. They're great for cutting washi. They're great for making lines in your planner. So it's good to have one in your planner. And then finally you get this top loading envelope so you can store things in the back of your planner. So I decided to go with this A5 Norfolk because I just wanted a different style. I already have my dream planner, which is that Austerly in plum, the crocodile, but I wanted something that was a little more softer and had a lot more storage. And I didn't even know these came with 35mm rings, but that's gonna be really great if I want to really stuff my planner, because my current planner right now is already filled with a bunch of inserts already. So this is everything I have. And honestly, I don't even have a whole year's calendar because I'm using undated pages right now. I have all of the months, but I'm using undated weeklies. It's already filled up and I don't really have a lot of storage space. These pockets are horizontal. I don't really like that. And then in the back, there isn't even any storage. It's just one of these pockets that you put your to-do pad on, and there's no back pocket. And I hate that the pen loops are on the top and bottom. I thought that would be useful, but it's not. So yeah, I just thought it was time for a change. Look at this, it's so pretty, smooth and sleek. I just wanted something that was totally opposite of that and was a little bit more functional. So I'm going to be putting my 2025 planner inserts in here to use. I'm probably not going to be using these Filofax pages. I might end up using these dividers just because they're so smooth and thin. Just label it, and probably the pocket, of course, because it's just nice to have. But yes, I don't know what I'm going to be putting in all of these pockets. Probably just some stickers. There's also a pocket here. There's so many pockets in this thing. I'm just going to take out these inserts because I do not like how they are turning in this planner. So let me just test out with the cloth and paper inserts instead. Okay, I have the bundle right here for the cloth and paper inserts, and I'm just going to switch out the cover. So I think these are like 30mm rings, and these are 35mm. The 30mm fits the entire year calendar worth perfectly, but I think having the 35mm, I'll be able to fit in all of my other trackers as well. We shall see. I'm just going to try to do this section by section. I think with the dividers, it's not lining up perfectly. There we go. So yeah, that turns way smoother with the cloth and paper inserts. It's not as hard as with this one. I think maybe it was this plastic sheet that was making it hard for me to turn. So maybe if I didn't use that, but I'm not using those Filofax inserts anyway, so this is way easier. So let me put in the rest of the pages. Let's see if I can do it in one swoop. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, I have so much space now. I can easily fit an entire year calendar in there. Let's see if I can also fit in my top tabs from my current planner. Okay, so these are all of my top tabs. So I have like important, fitness, finances, projects, personal. Let's see if I can fit all of this in here. I don't need my side tabs from my other planner because they're just basically calendar pages and then lists and notes. I might just change the lists and notes. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this section by section. This is the important section. Then we have the finance tab, health and fitness. Let's see if I can get all this in here now. Okay, yeah, that fits, but you can see it's getting overfilled and it's starting to bend the pages right there. Let's see if I can close it now. So yeah, I have an entire year's worth in the back right here. Then I have my top tabs here. So this is a super packed planner. I think when I'm planning though, I'm probably not going to keep everything in it because I just don't like carrying a super heavy planner. This is a lot heavier than my current planner that I'm using with the Osterly. I'm gonna have to get used to that. And I feel like with this pattern, if I get pen marks on it, it might stain it. So I think I have to be really careful with that. Like with my Osterly, because it was like this plasticky leather instead of this soft leather, you can't really see any stains, but you can see some little indents, but you can't tell with this kind of planner. So with this one, I feel like I have to be extra careful, but I love all the pockets. I love the ring size of it, but I'm gonna have to get used to the heaviness and thickness of it. That is what the A5 Norfolk planner looks like. Let me know your thoughts. If you are looking for a planner that can hold all of your plans and inserts, definitely check this out, especially if you store a lot of cards in your planner. Check out the A5 Norfolk Filofax. Let me know in the comments what's your current planner setup and are you thinking about switching it up? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.